Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jyoti. मेरे साथ है Shruts or Shruti.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Shruts, are you sad today?
No, not
Good,
really. Why?
good.
Why are you asking?
Because this song का description says, "Do not play this if you are sad." So
मतलब क्या होगा? Is it a sad song? Because when somebody who's
I'm
sad hears
guessing.
it, they will become like,
हाँ,
चलो, we'll
that's
find out. We'll find out.
हाँ, बहुत ही रिक्वेस्ट आई है इसके लिए एंड स्पेशली there's one
अच्छा,
person who keeps requesting day 14 request, day 15 request this song. Only one song he
आज आप
wants.
सफल हुए। आज
Yes,
आप सफल हुए।
आज आपकी
आपके इंतजार की घड़ियां बस अब चंद सेकंड में खत्म होने वाली हैं।
yes, exactly that. So it's Sunny Khan Durrani, Urdu rap. It's called La Hasil. La Hasil. ठीक है.
ओह,
Artwork, lyrics, music, mixing, mastering, everything by him, by Sunny.
अच्छा, अच्छा,
So let's see what it's
वेरी
about.
नाइस।
Sounds like a Dhruv aesthetic to me, who does everything himself, you know?
ट्रू, ट्रू।
Um, okay, so one, two, three, play.
काश ये भी गजलों का दौर होता, काश आदि लफ्जों पे गौर होता, काश इस खेल में न होती कोई हार जीत, दिल की दराजों में हम करते अब भी छानबीन, काश अभी होते हम पुराने घर में, काश में न रोज उठता नींद से डर के, काश के ये फासला थोड़ा और कम होता, काश मेरे दिल में कोई भी न गम होता, काश के ये काश कहीं दूर जाके बस जाए, काश गम भूल के ये लब फिर से हंस पाए, काश अबू आज भी होते हमारे साथ में, कौन लगाए गले बाद ईद की नमाज के, काश के मैं लिख पाता क्या है कहानी, काश के तुम जानते जो तुम्हें भी पता नहीं, काश के ये काश के समंदर पार कर जाए, इन हसरतों के नीचे कहीं डूब के न मर जाए, मैं सिर्फ अपना दिल इस गीत पे बहा रहा, तो अगर कुछ गलत लगे माफ करना जाने देना, मैं खुद भी हूँ तंग अपने आप से, समझ लेना कर मैं न दे सकूं जवाब, काश सांस ले सकते डूब के तो आज मेरा दोस्त कामरान होता साथ में, काश लोग देख लेते मुड़ के तो आज कितने रिश्ते छूटते न हाथ से, काश के न टूटते बचपन के खिलौने, काश मिल जाते शहरों के कोने, काश के न टूटते बचपन के खिलौने, काश मिल जाते शहरों के कोने में, नुसरत साहब के सवाल से भी तंग, जाने कब होंगे कम इस दुनिया के गम, काश मुझे आता रंगों में बसने का ढंग, तो आसपास के लोग मुझसे होते न तंग, मैं इतने सालों बाद भी वही गम सुना रहा, तंग नहीं हुए क्या तुम सब मेरी जात से, मैं अपने शैतानों को कब से सुला रहा, जागे
Mm.
हुए बैठे हैं वो सब पिछली रात से, एक बचपन का दोस्त जो के चला गया कराची, आज तक उसकी कोई खबर या पता नहीं, अली शेर अगर मेरा ये गीत तो तक पहुंच जाए, जब यादें टटोलूं भाई तू अक्सर याद आए, तुझसे भी वैसे ही राब्ता नहीं हो पा रहा, जैसे मेरे अबू तक पैगाम नहीं पहुंच पा रहा, अबू मैं एक अच्छा बेटा नहीं बन सका, आपके सब ख्वाब मैं पूरे नहीं कर सका, अब जब उस रब के आप इतने करीब हो, पूछना बनाया मेरे बेटे को अजीब क्यों, अब भी आपका दिया हुआ वादा नहीं तोड़ा, मैं रख रहा ख्याल मैं छुप छुप के रो रहा, पर सच्ची जो बात मेरा दिल नहीं लगता है, सांस की है कमी लगे दम घुटे, दुनिया में रह रहा हूँ सिर्फ घर वालों की खातिर, वरना एतराज नहीं कर रुक जाए सांसें, मैं सिर्फ अपना दिल इस गीत पे बहा रहा, तो अगर कुछ गलत लगे माफ करना जाने देना, मैं खुद भी तंग अपने आप से, समझ लेना कर मैं न दे सकूं जवाब, मैं सिर्फ अपना दिल इस गीत पे बहा रहा, तो अगर कुछ गलत लगे माफ करना जाने देना, मैं भी खुद तंग हूँ।
पेशावर के इलाके फकीराबाद के चार दोस्त इतवार की छुट्टी मनाने दरियाए सर दरियाब गए, जहां कश्ती उलट गई। इसहाक, अली और कामरान दरिया की बेरहम मौजों की नजर हो गए कि इतला मिलते ही अहले खाना पर कयामत टूट पड़ी।
Jojo, I get why he's written that if you're sad, then don't listen to this song.
Mm. Oh
But I'm
God.
also, but at least the good thing is he's put his heart out, and he's
Mm.
kind of, even his friend who shifted to Karachi, I'm sure if the song has become so famous, there's no way that, his friend wouldn't have kind of heard. And like, yeah, it's just a very personal song. Yeah, it's a very
Mm.
personal song. It's
People he's
basically,
lost, and
yeah, it's very personal.
there
His
was
voice
a
is really nice.
his voice was really nice, the beat was really nice, the music was really nice.
Violin just like added so much.
Um, it was I mean there was a line that had so many meanings. Kash hum dood ke bhi saans de sakte, something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
It
I
has
loved
so
that.
many.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I half
and
thought that the song should have been called Kash. Then I was like, maybe that's why he's called it La Hasil. Because there are so many kashes in it. कि काश ये होता, काश वो होता, काश ये होता. कि काश का opposite क्या है जब आपको कुछ हासिल होता है. So
mm,
it's beautiful. It's very poetic.
you know, la means no in Arabic.
No.
Mm,
Okay.
I don't know. I'm
Mm.
just saying.
Mm.
But Kash is such a what a word, man, on its own. When discussed, it's
Kash.
means so many things to so many people. Every time you say it, you could mean something. Yeah. So, uh, like, I would want to go through the lyrics of this track, but I feel like they will just it will make me cry. I'm just going to talk about how it made me feel. It made me feel. It made me empathize with him. It made me feel his pain. Um, and so, clearly, the news little bit at the end. Some people had an accident in a boat, right?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
couldn't make out who was in that boat and how they were
His
related
friend.
to him. His friend,
He
okay,
he he spoke about Kamran earlier, no? And then the news also spoke about that. That
that his
Kamran and Ali,
friend.
yeah, his
Ah,
friend Kamran. Yeah.
okay, so that the news bit that came in that explained what was sort of puzzling
Yeah.
me while listening to the song. But yeah, this is just feel your pain. Lovely song. Yeah, I've not heard him before, so I don't know if this is, like I can't say anything about whether this sounds like him or doesn't sound like him or his other stuff or whatnot. But as a track
Right.
on its own, it's just so heartfelt and it's so personal and beautifully written and beautifully made. That's all I'll say. You?
Because it's so personal, I actually don't want to say anything.
Yeah.
Which is why I'm not like. I mean, at best, I mean, like I said earlier, he's got a beautiful voice, and what he's spoken, it's too personal. So one
Mm,
can't like.
yeah.
I don't like to comment on like वो किसी की कहानी है, किसी की journey है. Not as an artist, but उसने लिखा है कि वो literally ये गाना बना रहा है सिर्फ इसलिए ताकि उसके एक दोस्त को तक एक मैसेज पहुंच सके. Yeah, whatever his heart is, whatever his things are, that he's putting forth. So
Mm,
it's very beautiful. Let's leave it at that.
yeah. Such a lovely tribute to your friend. So, thank you for recommending and introducing us to this artist. And as always, this exchange of music that we keep having on the channel, we hearing of new artists and beautiful songs like this because of you. And then many of you discover artists through our reactions. So, let's keep that going. And this is what this channel is all about. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.